Okay, I think this is recording. So let's start this first ride, shall we? Ready? Let's go! Okay, let's do this. I'm just gonna head to the station, or just for a little ride, because I have no idea how my jimmy rig of a GoPro is gonna work. I just have string and electrical tape around it right now, so I'm like terrified it's gonna fall off. And I am terrified of wheelies right now. Do a couple cities. Oh shoot, I just realized I don't have my gloves on. I'm gonna just put my gloves on real quick. There we go. Okay. 3, 2, 1, now. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. There's a little Honda over back there. Okay, this is where it gets kind of sketchy. This is where the busy roads start to hit. And everyone always speeds down from back over there. Now keep in mind, my mini bike has nothing legal on it. I'm just a teenager riding my mini. Guys. So if I get pulled over, I am basically dead. Speed up a little bit. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get on the sidewalk. Indicate where I'm going. Whee! Okay. Now I go press the button. Stay. Okay. Now, this is going to take a minute. Oh, there we go. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. There we go. Ah! Okay, wee-woos, please no wee-woos. Be greatly appreciated. Whee! Okay. Past that death trap. Now I go get gas. Okay, GoPro still there. Okay. Now I fueled her up. How much did she get? Oh, she's actually vibing. Oh, you know, I'm gonna save money today. I have a gas can at home. Okay, let's go. She likes to start. Now she doesn't want to start. There we go. Oh, hi! Okay, ready? Let's go. Three times the charm. Okay, this is going to be a minute. Now that I'm across this busy road, I now gotta get in the road. Because apparently mini bikes aren't sidewalk legal. Don't know what that means. Okay, wee-woos, please no wee-woos. Be greatly appreciated. Camera still good. We're still vibing. No, don't die on me. Why does she want to die? Why'd she bog? Everyone's giving me the look like, what the hell is that? It's my mini bike, sir. And it's a lot of fun. I forgot this is a public road that cops would stop me on. Ooh, there's a speed thing. There's a speed thing. I'm gonna slow down, and then I'm gonna go. I'm going to get pulled over. It is not like this. My muffler is fun and it is loud and it's bothering me. Okay, sweet. First ride complete with the GoPro. Now hopefully it was A-okay, and I will show you guys my Jimmy rig setup in a bit. Thank you guys for joining.